This right here is a beginner friendly strategy that you can actually use right now to start making money with CPA marketing like I am doing right here. So make sure you do watch this video right here to the end. Don't skip out on any important step because this is going to be an amazing strategy right now which you can do even as a beginner. And with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So basically what you want to do first of all is to actually head onto this platform right here, which is actually called the aliexpress.com. And if you do head onto this platform right here, the next thing you want to do is to actually go on to selecting a niche. And you can actually just see some categories of niches right here, ranging from the women's fashion, men's fashion, phones and telecommunication, and a lot more amount of niches right here. And you can also go on to seeing some sub niches right now. So if I decide to go on to focusing on the men's fashions right here, and I actually do go on to selecting t-shirts right now, it's actually going to go on to loading up and showing me some cool designs right now on this particular niche. You can actually do see the amount which you could get such designs right here on this niche, and these are actually quite much more better when compared to other platforms out there, maybe like the Etsy right now. These are actually women's wear, but you could see some for men, but they're actually quite much more better when you compare them to platforms such as this or other platforms like Teespring right now. So you do get better products right here on AliExpress. So basically what you want to do right now guys is that you want to simply go on to selecting some products. So maybe if I want to select this product right here, I'm just going to go on to opening this one in a new tab. I could also go on to opening this one right now in a new tab, and also this. So if I do open this two right now, I'm just going to leave that as in two, open those two in a new tab right here. Next guys, you want to just simply head onto this platform which is called docs.google.com/spreadsheet. And if you do head onto the platform such as this, you want to just simply go on to clicking on this blank and just simply create a simple spreadsheet. You can see a spreadsheet which I actually created right here, inputting the product, the price, description, contents, local URL, image, and image too. And if you actually do put all these details right here guys, this might actually be looking confusing, but I assure you guys, if you do watch this video right now to the end, you actually understand what we are trying to do right now and where we are actually heading to. So once you actually do this right now guys, you want to just simply go to put in more details about that particular stuff right now. So basically right here guys, you want to put in the product right now. And for the product right here guys, I could just simply come to this section and type in something like t-shirt. So if I do type in something like t-shirt, the price right here, you want to put in the price for that particular t-shirt. So I'm just going to head back to this particular platform, the tab which we actually opened. This is the price right here, and this is actually in Nigerian Naira. So I'm just going to copy this right here and actually head back to this particular platform and do go on to pasting that in right now. So this is actually Nigerian Naira right here. I can actually put in a simple description. For that description, you could also get that from this page right now. This is actually how the description is going to look like. So if I copy this, I'm going to head back to that particular platform, paste that in right there. Once that has actually been pasted guys, so basically guys, it's better for me to go on to put in the description last. So for the content local URL, what you want to do right now is to actually go on to inserting a URL or creating a URL file locker for that particular product. So you can see right now for this product guys, what you want to do is to actually come right here to this particular platform and actually go on to copying the link address to this page right now. And you want to just simply go on to creating a simple content locker, locking this particular page where people can go on to purchasing this particular product on this particular platform right now. So basically if you do head on to platforms like Cpagrip, you want to just simply go on to locking that in a URL file locker. So right now guys, I'm on my Cpagrip account. I'm just going to click on create new URL file locker right here. I can agree to the terms of services, click on continue, and actually go on to creating a simple URL file locker right here. Basically I'm going to go on to locking that particular link in this particular section right now, and you want to just simply go on to creating more details about that particular URL file locker. You can actually give it a name. I'm just going to put in something like t-shirt, and right here guys, I can actually head on to the next section, edit other sections based on my preference. Once I'm done, click on save right now. Instead of using that particular template, it's quite better I actually go on to using a different template right there. So I'm just going to come onto this template section. Maybe I can actually use the capture template right now. Actually head back to general and edit right here this other section based on my preference. Once I'm done, click on save right now, and I can then just simply go on to getting the unique affiliate link to this particular URL file locker. If I copy this right now, I can actually go back to that particular spreadsheet and paste that in this section. So once I do paste that in this particular section, for the images right now, maybe I'm just going to go onto this particular link right now, and for this particular image I can actually go on to maybe getting and downloading this image right now. And to download that image, I'm just going to come right here, right click on this, and actually go on to copying the link address. So right now, first of all, I'm just going to go on to saving the image on my device, and I can use this particular platform called the EaseGIF to actually convert a web page to actually a JPG converter. So if I actually use this right here, I'm going to just simply go into selecting right now. I choose the file from my device right now, or I could actually go onto a particular link right now. So maybe if I actually select this, so guys, I've actually selected the file right now, and I'm just going to go on to clicking on upload right here, and you can see right now, guys, it's actually going to go on through that uploading phase right now. So basically, guys, once you're able to convert that particular image right there to a JPG file, if you do paste in the link to that image, I actually did use this one right in here, because the previous one was not actually giving me a link right now, because if I right click on this, it's not giving me a link right now. So I actually did use this one right here, where I can actually right click, copy image address, and go on to converting that right now into a JPG file. If you do that, you want to just simply head onto this platform, upload that right here on this particular platform. Maybe after downloading the JPG file, upload the file on this platform. You can then just simply get a link to that, copy the link, actually head back to your spreadsheet, and go on to paste in that particular link right in here. Once you do paste that in right in there, you can actually go for the next section, which is the web page, to get a particular video link right now, and also paste in that right in there. For the description, guys, I'm just going to copy the description today, since this is the particular URL that actually did work. I'm going to head back to my spreadsheet and actually paste that in right in that section. So once that has actually been pasted, as you can see, all this has actually done right now. You then want to just simply move on to the next step, and the next step right now, guys, will actually be to go on to clicking on file. I can actually click on file and save this right here on this particular platform. So guys, you can actually then go on to doing this for other products out there. Add about 3, 4, 5 products right here to this particular stuff right now, and once you actually do that, you want to just simply come right here, click on share, then you want to click on save right now. And once you do click on save right there, guys, you can actually go on to comment right here, changing this restriction to anyone with a link. Copy the link address, click on done, and actually head on to this platform right here, which is called the spreadsimple.com. And with this platform, you can actually go on to turning your Google spreadsheet into a website with actually no code right now. You can actually come right here, sign up to this platform, log into your account. You want to click on this plus icon right now, and as you can see right here, this plus icon has actually brought me right here to this particular page. So right here, guys, you want to click on Google spreadsheet link, and you want to paste in the link to your spreadsheet right here. Actually click on continue, and what this website is actually going to do right now is that it's actually going to go on to automatically creating a landing page right here for you. So take a look at this, guys. This is actually the landing page that was created right here with this particular website, and you can actually see right now, guys, that is actually showing me that particular product. This is the description right here, this is the price, and it actually went on to doing this right here. So supposing I was having more than one product right now, the product will actually be among these particular other sections right here. So what you want to do right now is to actually keep on scrolling through this particular section, so you can see this secondary option right now. If you do click on that, you want to just simply click on enable right here, select this primary style, and right now for this link for redirect, you want to just simply go to selecting content locker URL. And if you do put in that right here, as you can see, this is actually the link to our content locker right now. So next, you want to just simply go on to, so guys, if you do head on to the design section, you also want to come to this section which says homepage intro, and you want to disable this for that top section to actually be removed. and you can actually do see this simple landing page right here. This is your landing page link. You could actually do click on that to actually change the domain right now to your preference. And once you actually do change the domain right here to your preference, you can then just simply go to changing that and click on open. You can then open your domain in actually a new tab, and you actually do see how this looks like right here. So you can see this is how the landing page is actually going to look like. So supposing I was having multiple offers on that particular spreadsheet, they will be listed among here, here, and here, about 3 to 4 offers in a row right now. So you want to just simply use this, create a simple landing page, copy this particular link right now, and actually try to drive traffic to that using this particular website called Facebook. So you want to come onto Facebook, go onto the group section, and you want to just simply go into searching for groups related to menswear. And if you do search for such groups right now, you'll be able to see a lot of groups right here which you can actually go on to join in, promote that particular product. And if you're promoting that guy, because you're actually giving them at a cheap price right there, because the AliExpress gives at a cheap price, you're actually going to be getting a lot of attraction to that right now, and they actually have to go through your URL file locker right here to gain access to that, and you actually do make money doing so. So this is actually a very simple strategy that even as a beginner, you can gain access to that right now and start making money online. I do hope this video was helpful. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.